Hello, I'm Dr. Ian Strawford. I'm a cosmetic doctor and I'm the medical director of Skin Excellence Clinics. Are you a lady who's really starting to worry about the visible signs of aging of the décolletage? That's the area of skin from the neck to the cleavage of your upper chest. It's an area of skin that many women start to suffer age-related changes from. And you might be somebody who's being very conscious about that, and perhaps even to the point where you're really reluctant to show that area of skin anymore, not wearing those low-cut tops and dresses. Well, if that's you, and you'd like to find out more about what we can do to help you and how we can help that skin and rejuvenate that skin in the décolleté, then come and see us at Skin Excellence Clinics.
Dr. Strawford, what are the causes and effects of skin aging in the décolleté?
So the décolleté skin is very typical of skin anywhere else in the body. It's an area of the body where usually it's just skin overlying the muscles and the bone. There doesn't tend to be a lot of fat in that area. Therefore, it's skin that is much more liable to the effects of the aging process. And probably one of the biggest factors that will affect the skin of the décolleté area, certainly in women, is UV damage, sun damage, photo damage as we call it. Often women may be wearing low-cut tops, dresses, and maybe not putting sun protection on that area on an everyday basis. So this area can be exposed to a lot of sun, and this will damage the skin. And the effects of that may be that the skin becomes more wrinkled, has a leathery appearance. Perhaps when they're moving their arms, they see those creases much more. There may even be a loss of volume beneath the skin, just creating a sort of more hollowing effect. And there may even be redness and pigmentation issues and those sort of things we associate with sun damage. So it can be a whole host of aging changes, but just affecting the appearance of that area.
So what treatments are available to help the skin of the décolleté?
So when we're looking at treatments that can help the skin of the décolleté for our lady patients, we're looking at what's actually happening. Have we lost some volume in that area? i.e., is there volume lost beneath the skin? If that's the case, and certainly that can extend into the upper poles of the breast, we may be using a filler or a collagen-stimulating filler like Ellansé or Sculptra to give a bit more volume and lift the skin a little bit, which can really certainly help in those patients. If we're also looking at the sun damage, the lines, the wrinkling, the leatherness, the sort of dehydration of that skin, then we're looking at regenerative skin treatments. And these simple ones that we use a lot are polynucleotides, PRP, biostimulating hyaluronic acid like Profhilo. These can all be used quite nicely in the décolleté area. We may combine it with skin tightening treatments and skin resurfacing treatments like Morpheus 8 or Tixel. And actually, LED phototherapy can also help, certainly when we've got inflammation and pigmentation issues. We can even start using topical skincare products and even retinols if necessary in that area of skin. So we're treating it very much like skin of the face and the neck, but specifically targeted and coordinated to work in the décolleté.